Let's keep going. That was 292, so I'll update after this game. I love how he stuttered there. Do you see the stutter? He's like, wait, what just happened? Oh, it's magic. F4 is probably bad. Oh, it doesn't mate. What the heck? Oh, why did I do that? That's just a blunder. He missed it. What the heck? I gotta go. How's there no... Oh, Jesus. There we go. That's the first draw, by the way, you guys. First draw. First draw. I don't know how I drew that, by the way, but that's the first draw. First draw. First draw. That was so terrible, though. He should have won that game, like,